Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're going to be having a look at these awesome iron sights from Feyachi. And before getting started, I just want to thank the people out at Feyachi Outdoors for sending me these iron sights to review. Let's get started. Alright, let's get you guys a size reference. Both the front and the rear sight are about the same size. Let's remove the front sight here. And just to give you a size reference, there is a quarter. Let's tip this on its side here. Alright, so it's just about 2/4. Now we need one more. So just about 2.5 quarters lengthwise that way. And if we take a measurement, we got just about, I don't know, just about 1.25 inches that way. And then let's flip it this way. You got just about 2.25 that way. Let's have a look at the thickness of the base here. Just around the same thickness as a deck of cards. And if you give it a measurement this way, what do we got? Just about 3/8 of an inch. Then with the sight popped up, you got just about 2/4 up high that way. Measurement wise, should be just about, what is that, an inch and 3/4 high? Alright, let's get you a weight reference. Both the front and the rear sight weigh right around 3 ounces. And just in case you're wondering, that weighs almost as much as 4 AA batteries. Now, I know that there are tons of people out there that are like, ugh, iron sights, I'm never going to use them, they're so boring. Now, I personally like going out to the range and using iron sights to shoot out to 100, 150, 200 yards or whatever. It really improves your skill. And the other half is, I know in today's fast-paced world of red dots and reflex sights, these are extremely, I don't need these, but I'm telling you guys right now, if your red dot goes down for whatever reason, the lens shatters, it pops out, your battery dies, or something electronic fails in your red dot system, firing a firearm, a rifle, without any kind of sights, it's literally like trying to shoot at a needle in a haystack, and these are 100% necessary. Alright, let's have a look at the rear sight first. Both the front and the rear are made of aluminum. Installation is very easy. You're just going to unscrew this bolt, sit it down on your rail, put the bolt back through and tighten it down. To flip up the sight, you're just going to grab it, flip it up this way, really firm lock up. It's not going anywhere. To fold it back down, you're just going to press on this button here, fold it back down. The rear sight has 2 aperture settings. We have the small aperture for long distance shooting. This line here is going to line up with this grid of lines down here to help you know how much to the left or how much to the right you need to move this. Adjustment knob on the side for the windage is on the sides. Very big, and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear this, but very firm, very solid adjustments. There is no slop in that. And then for the close quarters aperture, you just flip this over, and that's what that looks like there. Front sight is adjustable for elevation, but you got to get the tool, because the tool is going to help you press this button and turn it at the same time. But most people I know, including myself, when you're at the range, if you're shooting high or low, you're just going to change your holdover. But it is adjustable. Installation is very easy. You're just going to get your provided wrench here, loosen up this bolt here, just enough to open this up. You don't have to take it all the way up, but you want to get it open just enough so that this side opens up wide enough, so it's just wide enough to fit over your rail system. Alright, this is what you're going to look like with your front and your rear sight installed. When you're ready to use it, you're just going to grab it from the back, flip it up, alright, and line it up on your target. Once you have these properly installed, all you got to do is line them up like this, and you're set to go. Once again, guys, these are the iron sights from Feyachi Outdoors. If you're looking for a great set of backup iron sights for your red dot or reflex system that's easy to use, easy to install, these might be the ones for you. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.